Sorry about it. I think we will have a result like this. When you have a result like this, always look out for this. The last word, the last one here. For you to find out whether there is what we call multicoloniality, this must be greater than 5. If you have this to be greater than 5, then you can say that there is what? Multicoloniality. If you have it to be greater than 5, then you say there is multicoloniality. Now, since none of them is greater than 5, we say there's no multicoloniality. Again, we can do what we call a linear check. And linearity is part of the assumptions I read to you last 2 weeks or so, if you remember. So how do you do the linearity test? This is the command you use for linearity test. I have it written somewhere here. This particular command. I'm going to put it in the chat. So you can do the linearity test. And it gives you a lot of plots. We get a plot like this. Please, have you been able to generate it?
Yes, please.
Yeah. So this is, so the more clustered the relation, the data point, the better it is. So you see, you can draw, why do we call it a linearity test? We call it a linearity test because we are testing whether we can establish a linear relationship among the variable. And when the data sets are clustered a bit in this way, we say that there is what we call a linear relationship among the variables. So that's how we do the linearity test. To find out whether the relationship among the variables are linear or not. And when the data points are clustered, then we say that there is what? A linear relationship. Any question?
Hello, Prof.
Yes, yes.
So, Prof, please, so if they are not clustered, then it means that there is no linear relationship between them.
Not necessarily.
Okay.
Not necessarily. But the more clustered they are, the better. Is it okay?
Yes, please, Prof.
Yeah, but not necessarily that if they are not, then there is no relationship. But the better relationship is where they are more clustered, they can trace it. So, and just as I said, this data is not really, the best of data to use, but I will get you a very good data point and then which we can use. Can we move on, please? Again, you can do a residual plot if you want. I mean, something like this. The rest are plot, 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 plot. And this is how. So you see the more clustered they are. See, why do we say we want to see a linear fitting? And that's why you see the red line. Just trying to tell you it's not two linear relationship among them. So we want to see whether the residual and the leverage they fit. I'll come and explain all this thing in the lecture notes in details. But all that we wanted to see is the data homoscedastic or heteroscedasticity? Do you remember that word?
Yes.
So this is one way of doing it to check whether the data is homo or hetero. Then remember, I also made mention of the QQ plot. Today, so this is another. You see, if you do it, it even gives you more linearity. You see how it goes. If you do the QQ plot, it shows that the data is what? Linear. Any question? And please remember, all this, I explained it last 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago. So this is just a matter of confirming what I have explained. Any question, please?
Yes, Prof.
Yes, boss.
Yes, please. Sorry to take you back. But I was looking at the code. So after we loaded the car model, and then we were supposed to do the VIF.
Yeah, so from here.
Yes. Yes. So when I ran mine, I got an error. It says there are alias coefficients in the model. What does it mean?
You got what?
I got an error. It says error in VIF dot default into brackets LM job satisfaction salary.
So,
Then it says there are alias coefficients in the model.
okay, good. So please copy your model and paste it. Let me see.
Okay.
Okay, so let me just see.
They know you do it. So people are not responding. Okay.
So your data is called Akuma Workforce Solution, right?
Yes, please. Yes. I'm still using the old name. I've not changed it.
If not change it, okay, good. So let's see. Just a minute.
Okay, Prof.
Yeah, sorry. Today I'm being distracted by the family, so forgive me. So I'm just looking at your thing.
Okay.
So did you run the library?
Yes, please. I
You
did.
ran the library
Yes.
before running the VIF?
Yes, please.
Okay. So let me see. Maybe it might be. And then the error, please send me the error.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, send me what the error is. Okay, good. So let me help you out. You see from LMM, right? From the LM,
Yes, please.
copy from here. Let me show you. Copy from here to the last one here and run it first. Just copy it, paste, and run that one first before you come and run the library and then the VIF. But have you installed the package?
Yes.
Okay, so please run it and let's see.
Okay.
Okay, so please do that. Now, please, ladies and gentlemen, so these are the tests you would have to conduct, right? What did I do? Whenever you have to do a test, right? Remember, we've done the Shapiro, we've done all this, so it's just a matter of repetition. And so, again, there is another test that you need to look out for. If you don't want to go to the QQ plot and you want more mathematical, then you will install what we call the LM test. Now, please pay attention. In R, anytime you see library, it means you have to install what is in bracket first. I repeat, in R, anytime you see library, it means you have to install what is in bracket first. So first, let's also go back and install the LM test. Let's go to our package, just like this. Packages, install, and then we can do our LM. Once you start typing, it even gives you, and then you select which one you want to do, and then you install it, then you load the library. So please do that for me. And then the one who was having the problem with the VIF, please, have you been able to do it?
No, Prof. Please, I wasn't.
Okay, so I'm going to, in fact, let me send you
No,
all the codes I have here.
Yes.
That helps me out today. Today is 26th. Let me send you all the codes. And then I would remember to tell Dr. Augustine so that we put
Slides.
the slides in the this thing. And then, oops, what did I do? Same, saying I've put more than necessary. So let me just, oh, what's happening here? It's not permitting me to send everything, so I'm going to send it in batches, right? So that it's easier. It's not permitting me to send everything. Oh, something. Let me just undo and then resend it one after the other. Thank you. Okay. So I'm sending you the code so that it's easier for you to run it rather than typing and then not following. Oh, what's happening?
Thank you, Prof.
Welcome. It's giving me. Okay, let me take this thing off. Take this thing off. Let me give you this. Okay, first one. I've sent you the first code.
Prof, please, are you sending it to the entire group?
Yeah, to everyone. It's in the chat.
Yes, please. Yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please. Mhm. So it's not permitting me to send everything. So I'm sending it bit by bit, right? So you see it's trickling in a lot. So because I think it's, let me see, 2,000 words or something. Okay, so I've sent you everything. Please and please, I'm going to get you the materials as well, the slides, which has all the results that we've been generating and then its interpretation so that you can look at it and then try to run it on your own. I wouldn't, so that it's easier. And I'm going to send you what what we'll also be doing next week, because next week we're going to look at impact assessment. For example, if a worker is sent for a training, right? Does it have a positive impact, right, on the organization or something? If government wants to introduce a certain program, right? What will be the impact assessment? Or a worker has gone for training, he's come back. Does training really improve performance? Is there a relationship between going for training and then performance? Those are some of the things we'll be looking out for. So please, next week, you don't have to miss the class because next week is going to be a lot of practicals. I'm going to send you the material as well, but ensure that please you read before you come. Any question, please?
Yes, Prof.
Yes, boss.
Please, when you asked me to copy from the LM all the way
Yes,
to the data set, I was able to run it. It
okay,
was able
and
to,
then you
yes.
didn't get the error, right?
No, I didn't get the error. Yes, that code
Okay,
ran
okay,
successful.
okay, perfect, perfect. Mm.
Thank you very much,
Hello,
sir.
Prof.
Yeah, welcome. Yes, madam, please.
Okay, so I was trying to join. I think my phone was giving an issue, so you couldn't hear me. The first one you asked us to
I
run,
doubt.
the car one. I couldn't find car in the list of the things here. Like how I can see car in yours where it's been selected, but mine there's no car. I couldn't find car.
How come? Did you first?
Mm,
Did you install car?
uh, no.
So you need to install it first. And I
So
told you
okay,
that
so
for you to install, you have to go to package
yes,
and
I'm there.
then install. Then you type in car.
Okay, okay,
Imagine my lights just went out. Oh,
okay.
sorry. You see car is here.
Yeah, I think car,
And
and
then
then
you
install
install
car.
it before you run the library and then the
Mm,
VIF. Now, what it does is that it avoids us writing a lot of lines of code or a lot of lines of code. So it's easier.
thank you, Prof.
You're welcome.
Mm,
Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to end here. God willing, next week. I would make sure I'll try and let you have the notes before we meet next week so that it's easier for us to meet. Okay.
Hello, Prof.
Yes, please.
Please, so should we hold on with the LM test, installing it, or we should still install it?
No, once you have the code, please install the LM test.
Okay,
Then you move.
okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks. Okay.